Hello, hello. Welcome to day 5 of 21 Days of Energy. My name is Rachel from Reiki with Rachael. I am a energy healer and a card reader. And so what we're going to do is we are going to pull a card to go over what the energy of today is. So this is the 5th day, like I said, day 5. And the number 5 in numerology is all about change and positive change, and that's what we're really doing with this 21 days of 21 days of energy. We're transforming and we're changing, and so I feel like today is going to be one of the catalysts in that. And I'm not sure how this card, it's not like I pulled a crazy card for today, but I just feel like the energy of today is really going to be pushing us forward into the change, into what we want, what we desire, even if we don't realize it on an energetic level, it is. So after we go over today's card and the energy, then I'm going to do a 5-minute Reiki energy healing session, just so that we can align everything. Okay, so today's card is empathy. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. Let me just tune in really quick. During this transformation, there's something that we're seeing that isn't necessarily the truth, but we are drawing conclusions from what we're seeing. So what this card is really telling us is not to jump to assumptions, not to jump to conclusions in any situation today, okay? See, and then challenge yourself, see if you can see it from both sides. If you automatically jump to an assumption, ask yourself, is there another way to see this? I want you to do this with your situations. I want you to do it with other people and also yourself. Having empathy for yourself, where you are right now. Today is a day to be just very gentle. So like I said, something's going on today that's gonna like push us into really this change. But when this happens, it could be like there's a lot of energies. And so what our most important thing to do today is just try to be that source of empathy in your life for everything involved. Don't make, today's not a day to make a big decision because we're not seeing things clearly yet. We will. So today you have a choice, and I encourage you what this card is saying, and I'm so glad that if you tuned into this, I'm so happy you did. What this card is saying is, be present, stay in that state of love. And if you have a situation that is causing you anger or fear, anything negative, remind yourself that this is not a day to make a decision. This is not a day to react. This is a day to be gentle with yourself, with others, because we are not seeing the clear picture yet. And so we need to move through this energy, and I hope that you all have a beautiful day. This doesn't mean that we're all going to have a terrible day. It just means that maybe we'll have some thoughts that really aren't in our highest and best good, or something might irritate us, or you might be having a little bit of indecision, weeble wobbling, like really, is this the way I should go? Maybe I should just stay this way. Whatever it is, be gentle with yourself. And try to see the situation from both sides. And just set the intention that you're going to see it from both sides. And during this Reiki energy session, we're going to really send it for empathy so that you're able to do this hopefully more easily. It's not as much of a struggle as it might be sometimes. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the Reiki healing session. My camera is about to die in 10 minutes. So good thing this only takes 5. Just sit back and relax. Set the intention. Set any intention you feel guided to set right now. But we're going to set the intention that goes along with this empathetic energy that we're being encouraged to feel right now. So I apologize. My camera died when I was doing that energy session, and I'm having to re-record this actually on another day, and so it's now raining here. And that's why there was like a little clip in the filming. So, anyways, it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and get into this energy session. So sit or lie down. I'm gonna start my timer. Just gonna connect with your energy. Do some symbols and flow energy to you for the next 5 minutes. I'm just gonna wipe your energy off now. Wiping your aura off, wiping mine off. I'm gonna disconnect from this. Take my selenite wand, just a little good measure. My little baby selenite. I love this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that energy session. So this is the 5th day. This is a transformative day. And I want to say that those of us who, we all feel energy differently. If you're not feeling this, it does not mean it's not working. And I'm not just saying that so you like keep watching my videos and think I'm this like crazy great healer. It's just the reality of it. But what we were doing, and a lot of you probably started feeling something from the first time. It really just varies. It has nothing to do, it doesn't mean that you're good or bad or you're not doing it right. It's just where you are right now, where the energy is really working within you, what body it's really working on. So there's a lot of things that we don't really understand, you know. But you have to trust that the energy is working, and with every day that you do this, you're building up more and more and more and more, and that's why I really encourage you to watch every single video, every single day, and it's really going to help us transform. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Again, Rachel here, Reiki with Rachael. I encourage you to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for following along so far, and I will talk with you tomorrow.